Simone was originally written for a musical. And in the musical, the character, the Negro, triumphed over a game that was being played over two white men, and then sang this song in triumph. He won, and he sang it in victory. And Nina Simone did it again during the Civil Rights Movement, where obviously it stands as liberation from oppression in a time where, well, hasn't really ended, but in a time where it was, there was more oppression. So yeah, this is where this song is from.
No, that's okay.
Flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling fish out in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom in the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. This old world is a new world in a bold world for me.